Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Dan's Travel Tips. I'm super excited for today's video because we'll be sharing with you 5 essential tips for staying safe while exploring new destinations as a tourist. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or new to the adventure, these tips will ensure a worry-free experience. So, let's jump right in. Tip 1. Research and plan ahead. The key to a safe and enjoyable trip starts with proper research and planning. Before you embark on your adventure, take the time to learn about your destination's culture, customs, and local laws. It's also important to research any travel advisories or warnings issued by your government. This way, you'll have a better understanding of the potential risks and can prepare accordingly. Tip 2. Stay aware of your surroundings. Once you arrive at your destination, always stay alert and aware of your surroundings. Tourist-heavy areas can be vulnerable to pickpockets and scammers. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded places, and consider using a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your cash and important documents secure. By staying vigilant, you can prevent potential theft or unpleasant encounters. It's tempting to show off your new jewelry or expensive camera when you're on vacation, but it's important to be discreet with your valuables. If you're carrying a lot of cash, try to keep it hidden in a safe place. And if you're using a credit card, make sure to keep it close to you at all times. It's always a good idea to be careful about what you drink when you're traveling. Avoid drinking tap water, and be sure to ask for bottled water if you're not sure if the tap water is safe. And if you're going to be drinking alcohol, do so in moderation. Tip 3. Blend in with the locals. When visiting a new place, it's always a good idea to blend in with the locals as much as possible. Dressing appropriately and respecting local customs will not only help you connect with the culture, but also minimize the chances of being targeted as a tourist. Avoid flashy jewelry or clothing that screams tourist. Remember, the goal is to immerse yourself in the destination's unique experience. Tip 4. Secure your accommodations. Your accommodation plays a crucial role in your safety while traveling. When booking your hotel or rental, make sure to choose reputable and well-reviewed options. Take note of safety features such as good lighting, secure locks, and maybe even a safe in your room. It's also wise to inform the front desk of your plans and expected return time if you're heading out for the day. Tip 5. Trust your instincts. Last but definitely not least, always trust your instincts. If a situation feels uneasy or unsafe, remove yourself from it immediately. Your intuition is a powerful tool in keeping yourself out of harm's way. If you ever find yourself in need of assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the local authorities or your embassy. They are there to help and ensure your safety. It's always better to be safe than sorry. And that's a wrap on our 5 safe tips for tourists. Remember, preparation, awareness, blending in, securing your accommodations, and trusting your instincts are all part of ensuring a worry-free travel experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow Wanderlust friends. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming travel adventures and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep exploring.